Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to keep your characters consistent in AI-generated images, so they look natural, realistic, and recognizable across different scenes. First, let's look at the tool we'll be using, Design Eyes. Regarding the consistent character feature, first click on Character, then select Build Your Character. You will see that there are two options available here. You have the option to build a character using a written description or reference images. We are going to start with the text description method. Click on Start with Description to bring up the character description panel. You should first provide a name for your character. Then, proceed to describe their appearance. Focus on the hairstyle, facial features, clothing, and the outfit. Just remember that the more detailed your description is, the more accurate the final character is going to be for you. Only describe the character itself. You don't need to mention the environment or background at this stage. Now choose a character style. You can click View All Styles to browse through different options and select the one that best matches your vision. Once selected, click Generate Character Preview. Design will generate two preview versions of your character. Use the magnifying glass to zoom in. Click Regenerate if you want new results, or click back to refine your description. Once you are satisfied, pick your favorite design and click Start Training. Close the window while Design builds your character in the background. When training is complete, click your newly created character. Design will automatically take you to the Generate Images with Consistent Character panel. Here, you can adjust the character's outfit. Describe the actions and scenes, fine-tune the camera, and adjust the image settings. This allows you to generate multiple images quite easily, while keeping the same character identity consistent. Now let's look at the second method. Start with images. Enter your character's name. Upload images from your device. You can upload 1 to 30 photos of the same person from different angles, expressions, photo tips. 3 to 5 shots offer a solid, accurate character. Make sure the images are at least 512 x 5012 pixels in size and include a diverse selection of full body and half body shots. Make sure all of the photos show the same person. Once they are uploaded, click Start Training and wait for the build to finish. To view or manage your characters, click Manage Your Character. Here you can rename characters, change reference images, retrain or delete the character entirely. This makes it easy to refine your character over time. Go to Generate Images and open the Consistent Character panel. Please select your character from the provided list. You will see an auto-generated character description that is very important. There is no need to delete the full description. You can just update specific elements such as the outfit instead. Make sure to always put the style description at the very end, because if you leave it as is, the character's outfit won't change. Please describe exactly what the character is currently doing and the environment or situation. You have up to 1,800 characters. Not sure what to write? Use designs, preset prompts, and action words to build your scene quickly. Next, choose character direction. Pick a camera angle and shot manually, or you might use auto mode for creative results. Then, make sure to select your aspect ratio or custom setting. Please take a look at the overall size of the image. To generate diverse images, edit only the outfit part of the description. Keep the rest of the character details unchanged. Go ahead and modify the scene description provided here, and then simply click the Generate button to complete the entire process. Your new image will appear on the right side of the screen with the same character identity. And that's it. Now you know how to build, manage, and generate images using consistent characters in design. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and start creating amazing, consistent characters. Happy creating!